Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to localize more security and privacy settings. Scroll down and enter installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you want to really do it, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So let's simply tap on allowed, and from now on you can download the content from the Chrome. Of course it works the same with all other apps, and if you want you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher, and from now on the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.